Hello beauties, welcome back to my channel. So today, as you can see, I'm applying this wonderful mask that will help so much to transform your skin. So this will help to make sure you are looking younger always. If you want to get rid of dark spots, you want to look beautiful without makeup, keep watching. Do subscribe, hit the red subscribe button. Let's go.
The first ingredient we are going to use is potato. This is Irish potato. So we're actually going to be making use of the juice alone. Yes. So that is because the juice is so tightening, okay? It helps to protect the skin. It helps to prevent sunburn. It helps to get rid of oiliness of your skin. It helps to tighten up your skin pores. It helps to take care of pimples and acne. So this will help to get rid of hyperpigmentation and make sure you have no wrinkles, sagginess, okay? So the first thing you have to do before you start, make sure you wash it to get rid of dirt, because this is something we are going to be applying on our skin. You don't need to, transfer dirt into your skin. After that, I'm going to remove the skin. So after that, I'm going to grate it to get juice from it. You can just blend it, if you want. So after grating it, you have to squeeze out the juice from it. If you are going to blend it, you don't need this process. You just have to cut and transfer into your blender. Add a little amount of water and blend it into a paste. Okay? As you can see, it's just a little amount of juice. And that is because I grated it. If you want to get more juice from it, you can blend it, as I said earlier. But this is perfect. I don't really need too much. So we have to introduce the next ingredient. Yes, this is oat powder. You can get it from the supermarket, food store. This is very important for skin tightening, protecting your skin against free radical damage. So this will ensure wrinkles are delayed and fine lines. So I'm going to transfer the quantity I need. 1 tablespoon is enough. You can increase the quantity if you want to make a large amount. Next ingredient we have here is turmeric. Turmeric powder is awesome. You have to make use of powdered turmeric. So turmeric here is full of antioxidant, a potent antioxidant that will help to protect your skin against free radical damage that makes your skin to age fast. So this is super effective, like seriously. With this, you won't have wrinkles and fine lines. With this, you won't have pimples, acne, and other stuff. So this is just generally for skin. It has to take care of skin problems. So another good benefit of it is that if you have a dull skin, it's going to brighten it, get rid of those dull look. Yes, if you don't want to lighten, you can just use this occasionally because it's a potent, powerful natural lightener. All right, so little is just enough for you if you have a dark skin. So I'm going to add just half tablespoon. I don't really need too much of it. Flour. The next thing to do is to transfer the potato juice into it. Then you have to mix them up. So I still have one more ingredient, which is almond oil. So almond oil is super important. It contains vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant that will help to protect your skin against sun damage. Like this is so important to keep your skin so moisturized, preventing those signs of aging. This will also help to get rid of so much dry skin. All right, so I'm going to transfer it in here, and it's very important for you. If you have a dull skin, almond oil is just the best. because it gets rid of skin imperfections. I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of almond oil. If you do not have almond oil, you can go ahead and add any oil of your choice, but make sure it's not an oil that will clog your pores, or rather clog your skin. Okay, so just mix it and mix. So after mixing it, if yours is still very thick like this, as you can see, mine is thick, so you just go ahead and add water or rose water. I love adding rose water a lot, and that is because number one, I have it at home, and secondly, it helps so much for the skin. Okay, it helps to make your skin to glow. Yes, this is rose water. It's best to get it, okay? But in case you don't have it, just go ahead and add water. Rose water will protect your skin. It will get rid of all these pimples and other stuffs on your skin. It's going to help to make your skin glow and very clear. I love it so much. So go ahead and mix it up just like this. So make sure you mix it into a thick paste, just like this, and not so watery. So I'm going to apply it on my skin to show you how it's properly done for best results. This mask is lovely. Like seriously, this is what you need, like once weekly, twice weekly, anytime you want to maintain your skin or nourish your skin. You know, most times all these skincare products we use leaves our skin so, damaged. So this is something that will nourish your skin. Like, you have to use it occasionally, but me, I use it 2 times weekly and I just love it. So before you use this, you have to wash your face. As you can see, I have no makeup, everything is clean, and that is what you should also do, so that this treatment will penetrate well into your skin pores, nourish your skin, and protect your skin, making sure your skin is looking beautiful. After that, you go ahead and apply these treatments. Oh my goodness, this is cooling. I love facial masks so much. It's so unique. It's so natural. Like, the ingredients alone will make you want to, eat it. So I will be applying it and all over my face and neck. So this treatment is best for dark spots. It's very important for dark spots. If you want to get rid of dark spots gradually and not so fast, you have to use this. Apply it on your dark spots. So this treatment is also very important if you have a dull skin, as I said earlier, to brighten it, to glow your skin, to make your skin looking so yummy. So after applying it on your face and neck, make sure you apply it under your dark under eyes if you have, because this helps to get rid of those dark under eyes, brighten those areas. This also helps to treat sunburn, yes, protecting your skin, and make sure when you go out there, on the sun, you won't have a damaged skin. So this is something you should use twice weekly, but if you cannot apply it twice weekly, just apply it once weekly. Make sure you apply it once weekly and you're all good. You can also apply it every day. Okay, so this is for all skin type. If you're a dark skin, you can use it. If you're a medium shade like me, you can use it. If you're a fair, very light in complexion, you can make use of this treatment, and it's just awesome. And it may take some time to dry, like 15 to 20 minutes, and after that I'll wash it off and I'll come back soon. So as you can see, after washing it off, it's going to look like this, or better than this. So this is what you have to be doing, okay? So you have to remove all the turmeric, because turmeric can really stain. But I don't use soap, I don't use cleanser, I only use water to wash it off, and I'm okay. And that is because I still want the oil to remain on my skin. You know, that is going to nourish your skin further. Turmeric stain is not obvious, it's just not much. Can you see it? It's not showing. And I'm just trying to tell you that turmeric can stain, and not so much. So apply this treatment twice weekly or once weekly, or whichever way you want, and your skin will thank you for it. So thank you so much for watching. Okay, do subscribe, give this video a like, share it also, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.